congratulations if you are watching this video, because today I am going to celebrate the 11th anniversary of phone made by Nokia. So here it is. So yeah, as you can see, Nokia C1-01. So see the video to last and know about what features it had, and now is it practical or is it not? Okay. So as yesterday I was busy in some work, so I did not make the video. But now it's, I think, 15:57. I mean 3:57 p.m. Now it's going to be 4 o'clock. So first of all, I want to thank Nokia for making this type of, they manufacturing this type of in the past 2010 to, as I have mentioned in the intro of my video. So here, as you can see, it's in silver color and it's very worn out. It has been changed for 3 times because it had some flaws in the hardware outside, but inside it's still intact, though it's cracks sometimes because it has gone, it's going to perish, but still it works. For example, you will get if you use this type of converter, the word block, which are very practical today also. So first of all, let's start with before starting, I want to say that this is made in India. So this type of hardware actually inside is very well. In India, this type of phones are very long lasting. So even today you can use this type of phone. So now in this side I can't give away a session. Can't give it away. So let's start. So starting up the system, I am pressing it for 3 seconds. Turn on. It's showing Nokia here. Just now it's showing blue color. It does not have any SIM card now because it has been half rejected by us, because now today's standards to 4G, 5G, but this one contains the 3G internet. So after 8 years we had a 3G from 2012. I was too small. My mother won't. Now she has smartphone. I have client smartphone for online classes. Today, see, we are now in front of the original startup sound, and here it came in a fast manner because I have actually reset it for once. Like there is no practical use to me at least. So now it is one of the first phones which actually contain the 3G input. So as you can see, here is go-to option. As in every default phones, there are go-to options of feature phones in Nokia, as you have seen the Nokia site, I guess. Mine. So here Opera Mini is the browser. Main browser is the Opera Mini. Then another browser is which is default provided by Nokia. From menu option you can see this. There are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 options, 8 things are there. First is the internet. I don't know why they have given this, because in many of the times it comes in a ground internet, like E symbol. I have the see, it's even showing till today also it's showing that what to do with these applications. Now imagine if it is given to Android phones.
6.5 hours later.
Yes, now I am back after 6.5 hours, and yeah, so I'm continuing from here. then you get contacts, then this settings, and this music, messaging, photos, applications, log. And actually I forgot to say that there are more options in that phone which I have reviewed earlier than this, because it's 10-year difference. And it, see again, this is showing actually. And let me show you the world clock, which is now maybe practical till today. This is the world clock. It also contains the Opera Mini application here. Here, this is the world clock, as you can see. It is still today the thing is used in Windows laptops and desktops. And then converter, which is also practical till today. This is its opening in Nokia. See, it's the converter. There are many options, like for example, um, select temperature, currency, cooking, weight, length, area, volume, lifestyle. Okay, I actually set lifestyle to bit and byte. It's very old that time. When I was just, I think I was reading class 5 or 6 that time I said that. Now let's talk about the specification. Till today it's nice sound is there. I have some extraction of it. Till today also you can call with this type of phones, and it contains a 3G internet, so you can do little types of things on the internet. For example, I here Opera Mini. So it's opening, loading. Yes, here's the Opera Mini. So what to say today, this lineup has totally discontinued, and I have nothing to say, because see, as I only reviewed this. And thanks for watching till the end. And it also, and I forgot to say one thing, that is, just now I wanted to say that uh, there is one 3 megapixel camera, and there is no front camera. There is something written as C1. And sounds very good till today. You can use media files on here. You can see videos, movies, everything. It actually came with an Indian ad where you can record 32 GB of video. Okay, so thanks a lot, and I'm ending.